Welcome back to our channel, and thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. I am Terry Ann Elaine, proud autism mom, and we are here to share with you tips and tricks of how we navigate through our journey right here on Autistic Edge. Homemade juices are one of our favorites in our household, and we got a lovely melon from a friend of ours, and we decided that none of it is going to go to waste any at all. So here is Daddy in the kitchen, decided to start a little juice up, and here is Daddy and Alex now decided that he wants to help cut with the melon. But as you know, he just come and then him off again, so leave Daddy to him regular work. But of course, we kind of coax him. We say, Alex, you need to come back and help Daddy. So here is Alex again, and he started to pick out the slices, put them in the juice extractor, and Daddy guide him along, and he seems very interested in it. Now Alex prefers to eat the melon than have the juice, but this is a lot.
Excellent for. Come again, Alex.
And I just love the daddy and son moment in the kitchen. And Alex seemed to be enjoying it because no resistance. This is, something new. And this is the first time we are trying the juice extractor actually with him. And we like this. He's fascinated. He's getting interested in the kitchen. And these are some things you use to teach them. Have them involved in your everyday chores around the house. This will help them to be independent. And here is juice, looking good, looking lovely. I am just fascinated with Alex's interest in this activity. This is the very, very first time that we are having Alex actually doing juice. So this is great improvement. And here is Daddy pouring juice in a jug for us to enjoy later. And here is Daddy doing a few more slices, and Alex is back. Alex just loves this activity. The moment you're ready for him with the slices and you say, come Alex, here he goes. Next time around, we are going to have him do the cutting up of all the slices. So they're about to run the juice extractor again. All right, the noise is a little bit, but if you notice, he's much more tolerable with the noise from the extractor. Normally you will hear the juice extractor and he would just probably run away, or you would just stick his fingers in his ear, or he wouldn't want to be anywhere near the juice extractor. The juice extractor, the hair dryer, or any of those things would normally agitate him, and he would just go sticking his fingers in his ear. But this morning is a big, big improvement. He merely closed his eyes. Look at that. He merely closed his eyes at the sound of the juice extractor. But he wanted to do this. He was very interested in doing this. Guys, this is big, big, big improvement. Major improvement here with Alex being tolerable to this kind of noise and be able to carry out this activity to the end. And look at him, he's just concentrating, not even being disturbed, putting in his melon slices. All right, Daddy showing him how to step. All right, here we go. The noise is a little bit there, but that's fine. Here we go. All right, honeys. Yes, you go, Alex. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I am just one proud mommy. And here we go again. Look at this. And with more practice, we know that he will kind of get over that noise level because he's coming from a very, very, very far place with not being able to tolerate the noise. And now, look at this. Alex is eating away the melon. Now, we know that Alex loves watermelon. He doesn't like to drink the watermelon, so you won't get him drinking it. Now, Daddy is pouring out the juice. Man, this is lovely. And this juice, we had no additive, nothing, just ice. And this is what we got from our morning exercise. It was just fun. And here we just have a little piece more to finish up. And we left this piece for Alex to have to eat because he doesn't like juice. So he will have this for the rest of the week in his fruits. Here we go. This is how we make watermelon juice on the Autistic Edge.
Thank you once again for joining us in this another day in the life of living on Autistic Edge. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe so the next time we put out another content, you will be notified.